Hey Aaron, what are you going to show us how to do today? Well, no. Anything else? Out on the street? You know how to ride your bike? Okay, show us.
Okay, Aaron.
Where's the cones? Let's put the cones out.
We don't need cones.
What do you mean you don't need cones?
Yeah, we do. Daddy, we have to watch out with I like to go the bumpy way.
Okay, I'll stand behind the car.
He's just jumping one thing and he doesn't look where he's going and he goes bounce, bounce, and he turns all over the place.
There he goes.